The long overdue controversial debate on whether to regulate the tobacco industry found its way into the corridors of justice, with petitioners and opposers in anticipation of the final judgment at the Supreme Court. And in what was a clear win by various lobby groups, the ruling was issued in favor of the Ministry of Health to go ahead and collect 2% of the annual earnings of various cigarette makers and importers in the country, much to the chagrin of the tobacco sector.
We are really excited by this ruling today because tobacco is a leading risk factor for cancers, apart from unhealthy diets, alcohol use and lack of exercise.
The court dismissed an appeal by the giant tobacco manufacturer, British American Tobacco, BAT Kenya, that challenged the new guidelines set out by the Ministry of Health in 2014. BAT, which later filed a suit against MOH, had opposed the regulations on grounds that it was unconstitutional.
It is now clear that cigarette manufacturers must now print clear graphic health warnings on their products, admitting that the continued use of these products leads to disability, diseases, and death.
In a statement, BAT Kenya Managing Director said they respect the court's decision as a company. However, sector players say that this ruling might end up working against the government. This loss in revenue is also expected to be passed on to consumers as the companies seek to shield themselves from losses. Going by the Supreme Court ruling set to tame the tobacco industry, civil society groups are calling on government to step up its efforts in implementing tobacco regulations to save further loss of lives. Brenda Cheriot, K24 Evening Edition.